अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। We are going to learn today questioning tools in Arabic. Let's follow me and revise this. Aina, aina, where. Aina, where. Kaifa, how. Kaifa, how. Kaifa, how. Man, who. Man, who. Maza, ma. Maza, ma. What. Maza, ma. What. Mata, when. Mata, when. Mata, when. Li, maza. Li, maza. Why. Limaza, why. Come, how much. How much. How many. How many. How much, how many. Come, how much, how many. Liman, for whom. Liman, for whom. Let's revise once again. Aina, where. Kaifa, how. Man, who. Maza, ma. What. Mata, when. Limaza, why. Come, how much, how many. Liman, for whom.